Stocks were mildly lower early this morning. Tesla was down 7% off the open, pulling the cap-weighted NASDAQ lower, although it is recovering as I speak to you right now. The Dow is actually up 0.47%. The S&P is just below the flat line. The Russell is just below the flat line. And the NASDAQ is down about 1/3%. There was quite a bit of economic data last night. China's manufacturing PMI came in stronger than expected and moved into expansion territory at 50.4. We saw lower than expected nationwide housing prices in the UK, better employment figures out of Germany and the Eurozone, and exactly as expected EU CPI data. A quick recap of the small to medium-sized business manufacturing PMI data. We had stronger than forecast figures in the EU and the US, as expected figures in the UK and Germany, with all of them remaining in contraction territory, except for the US, which moved further into expansion territory at 52.9. Powell spoke early today. He's speaking on a panel right now in Sintra, Portugal at the ECB forum, and at the same time, new economic data was released here in the US. The ISM manufacturing PMI came in higher than expected, but still remained in contraction territory, while the ISM manufacturing prices index also rose above expectations to 69.7. JOLTS jobs openings came in at 7.769 million, higher than expected, and last month was revised higher. As I speak to you right now, gold is up by 1.6%, silver by 1.1%, copper by 1.9%, and crude oil by 1/3%. The Senate is voting on H.R. 1 today, the big, beautiful bill as it's known. It's expected to be passed depending on the details of the bill, and it will likely move markets. So we need to keep an eye on it. Details are still changing. Looking ahead to earnings after today's close, we have two companies reporting with earnings with market caps of $1 billion or more. It's Constellation Brands and Greenbrier Companies. That's the railroad giant. Tomorrow before the open, UniFirst is the only company with earnings of $1 billion or more reporting. Economic data tonight, we got Australian retail sales. Tomorrow morning, EU employment data, and then ADP private payrolls in the US.